A person you direct message with is 85% more likely to see your posts in their feed. If you have ever direct messaged with someone, you will probably notice that afterwards you're seeing all their posts and they're seeing all your posts. It is super, super powerful because it sends a signal to LinkedIn that you and that other person have a relationship and that you are interested in each other because you have messaged back and forth. So it's logical. It makes sense. But that means every person that you direct message with and show LinkedIn you have a relationship with is more likely to see your posts, which means they're more likely to engage, which means you're more likely to get more reach, and round it goes, right? This also means that the more people you have direct message conversations with, the more people will see your posts and all those good things will happen. So I recommend you direct message everyone who engages with your posts or follows you. Send them a thank you, start a conversation with them, give them something valuable, start to build a relationship, whatever you can do to have an engagement with them via direct message. Because again, even that one direct message exchange that you have with them is going to make them 85% more likely to see your next post in their feed, which is just huge. And so with that in mind, and you may have noticed this, if you ever direct message with someone, you probably notice that afterwards you start seeing all their posts in your feed and they start seeing all your posts in their feed. So it is a super powerful tactic. And by the way, besides the algorithm and the increased reach, the whole point of social media is to start to build connections with people and relationships with them that can turn into all sorts of good things. So this is a good thing to be doing, even if it didn't help you with your posts and your reach in the algorithm. But the fact that it does makes it an even more beneficial thing to do.